Looking to buy a used car but dreading the negotiation? What if you could walk in armed with data, knowing the true market value and potential repair costs up front?
That's exactly what Car Value Scout from carvaluescout.com offers. It's designed to level the playing field, providing you with insights to negotiate confidently. It helps avoid overpaying for used cars.
So, how does it work? Is it really as simple as they claim?
It is! You download the app, enter the car's VIN or year, make and model, add the mileage, and note any visible issues. The app then gives you the true market value, estimated repair costs, and an ass's price.
Okay, but what are the real advantages? Are we just talking about saving a few bucks, or can this app really make a difference?
Oh, it can save you thousands. The app generates detailed PDF reports that you can use to compare different cars side by side. More importantly, these reports provide negotiation leverage, presenting a data-backed case to the seller.
Interesting. Does it offer other features beyond valuation and repair estimates?
Absolutely. Car Value Scout includes real-time market values, OBD2 diagnostics, a guided visual inspection, the ability to scout cars online, a parts finder, and even DIY repair videos. It's a comprehensive toolkit to ensure you buy with confidence. And to see its accuracy, carvaluescout.com offers a free real-time vehicle check when you download the app. It really puts you in control.
That sounds like a game changer for used car buyers. Thanks for spelling out how Car Value Scout can help us negotiate like a pro.